Hi all, welcome to my channel Happyhome.positivity, sharing a video on chicken liver pepper fry. This recipe is actually cooked by my husband and it turned out to be delicious and was super easy to cook. Let's see the veggies to be chopped. 2 sliced onions, some ginger and garlic chopped, 2 slit green chillies and some curry leaves. Now let's start cooking. Pour some oil in a cast iron skillet. Add 1.5 teaspoon of fennel seeds, curry leaves, give it a good mix. Chopped garlic, chopped ginger, once the garlic and ginger are cooked, you may add the slit green chillies. Let it cook for some time. Now add the sliced onions, give it a good mix. Adding salt to the onions quickens the process of cooking. Hence, my husband here is adding some salt to the onions to quicken the process of cooking. Once the onions are cooked, add the cleaned liver pieces. My husband has included a few pieces of chicken here as I do not prefer liver pieces. You can totally skip this. Wasn't that easy peasy? Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.